Hello crafty friends, thanks for joining me today. So I can show you this amazing new set by Art Impressions. It's called the Water Journal. I'm gonna quickly unbox it with you and show you what are the dies that are included. It creates this amazing journal that is gatefold, two-side flaps. Look how many dies you get. Look how many tags, different shapes and sizes. They are all so awesome. Let me just put it on a white background so you can see better. And look how many are these. I think there are like 48 dies. So it creates pockets, tags, frames, borders, banners, a lot of ideas to embellish your journal. It's just so amazing. I'm gonna use my wire cutter and I'm going to separate all these dies so I can show you all of them. Check. So this is the main one. I'm just gonna show you the dies quickly and then I'm going to bring papers and I'm gonna cut it. I thought I'll show you the dies just like this, but then they're not showing what it's actually creating. So I am going to bring papers and I did die cut them and I'm gonna show you what each die creates. So this is the biggest one. This creates one side of the journal. So you need to die cut it twice so you can create a gatefold from each side. And then another die creates the inner pages, and then you can cut these borders. It comes with 4 borders that you can cut the inner pages edge to create this amazing effect. I'm gonna show you what the inner pages look like. So this is the main one. You need 2 of these. The die creates for you 2 score lines that you need to bring your bone folder and fold on those lines. See, I'm trying to reflect the light so it can show. So you just simply, you don't need a scoreboard or anything. You're just gonna bring your bone folder and fold where the die created the score line. So this is one of the sides, and then the exact same thing on the other side. Also 2 lines, and I did score them. And then you're gonna come on the middle part of any of them and then just add this double-sided tape and place the other one on top of it, and there you go. It created your journal. It's a gatefold, 2-sided folds. You can close it on both sides. Look how cute it is. And the dimension, this dimension is created so you can put many of the inner pages. And I'm gonna show you how they are created. By the way, they are all linked down below in the description. The materials that I'm gonna use and the tools, the watercolor journal die set itself. So these are the inner pages that you create with this. It also creates a fold line that you need to fold at the score line, and then also with your bone folder, and you're just going to fold it and add double-sided tape on it. So you can attach it to the inside of the art journal, of the journal itself, the cover. So that's simple. That is why there is this thickness in the journal. So I did add double-sided tape, and then I simply add them to the sides, the thickness of the art journal, the journal on each side. And you can add, I think, 3. It would take 3. But for in this demo, I'm gonna create 2. So I cut another 2 inner pages, and then I did decorate them with these borders just to show you how they look like. So one of them is this scalloped with hearts, and the other one is so decorative, scalloped and with holes, see-through. So I just brought my all-in-one tool so I can remove all the tiny bits of the die. And look how cute this is. Whole art journal, it just what took me like 4 minutes, 3 minutes, and you have a base, infrastructure of your journal. And then here for the smaller dies, I did use another paper so they would contrast and you can see the difference. I didn't want to die cut them from white paper, so I'm using the paper bag, I think. It's from Lawn Fawn. I'm gonna also link it down below. The color of this paper is called paper bag. Look how amazing this frame is. It's my best die. I think everyone is gonna say the same thing, that they are the best one. Look how cute this frame is. I'm just gonna place it on the outside cover. You can place your stickers inside, your photo. Beautiful, beautiful photo album ideas. So you can create your Christmas journal, you can create a photo album, any theme that you like. Look at this die. This die cuts a pocket. Look how amazing it is. All score lines, everything done. You're just gonna fold along the score lines, and on these flaps you are going to add double-sided tape, and there you have a ready pocket. You just need to stick it on the page and add your cards and tags inside. I would choose a double-sided tape, but I'm just going faster here with the tape runner. But to make sure that it stays put and it does not detach from your journal, I would say I would use double-sided tape. Look how amazing it looks with the notch, so you can take your tag out or anything. So I'm just gonna check what tags that I have here that can match and go inside. I would have preferred white tags so they can contrast and show you how it exactly looks, but I hope this works well and you guys can tell how it's gonna look like. Look how cute. Very, very beautiful. So for next, I also found this. I think this is the inner piece that was cut from the frame. This is the negative part of the frame that's inside the frame. So look how beautiful the pocket is. Very, very cute. There is also this piece, photo corner. This is the piece, this is the die, and this is the piece that the die cut for me. And also I fold along the score lines and I add double-sided tape, and look how cute it is. It's a photo corner. You can add a card, you can add your photo, you're gonna need another one on the other side, and so you can put your photo inside. Look at this frame as well. It creates 3 windows. It looks like a window. It creates 4 spaces, so you can add different photos or your stickers, sentiments. Very, very beautiful. It's my best. All of them are my best. And then this is another frame also. So cute. I did cut this other part from white, so you can see the difference. Also, look at the cute envelope. Isn't this the cutest one? Let's quickly flip through everything that I did create, and I didn't use all the dies. I just created this quick with some of the dies that are included. There is way more. Look how cute. I love so much. Look how cute. Look at the bow. And I added the heart here on the pocket. Oh, this cute little tag can go in the envelope as a memo. So cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. And these are your tags in a pocket. And look at the banners. Very nice. I love using the banners. Look at this. Look at the borders, so cute. This is the inside, the window die. Very cute. Look at the button. Such an amazing release. I love it so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching the unboxing with me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!